Research complete.
Hey, hello guys, my name is Pardeeplabview. Let's start a new tutorial about the how we can create a login project. Okay, this one is part 1 you already covered, link in description, go and visit. Yeah, okay, yes, this one search LabVIEW login part 1. This one is first video about login part 1. Okay, and very important guys, first you need to know about this SQL. Okay, before starting the part number 2 of login project, you need to visit this video, SQL interlink with LabVIEW, because this part number 2 is depend upon this video. Okay, because in this video I have already do the setup about SQL with LabVIEW, that's why. Okay, now let's come on the our main project, login project part number 2. Yes, now what you do, first open the SQL. Okay, search SQL, and I already tell about how you can install and how you can download about the SQL. Okay, and in this video, that's why it's very important guys. Yes, SQL, yes, this one SQL Server 2014 Management Studio, open this. Okay, wait a few seconds. Yes, now search your server name. This is my server name. Okay, and click to connect. Yes, this one is our database. Okay, this one is tutorial. Okay, now I already created this database. Now I delete this one. Yes. Okay, now let's create a new database. Okay, right click to new database, and right now enter database name, any name, like I'm entering here LabVIEW Tute. Okay, this one, and click to this owner. Okay, now you see in the downside I have this name Parde. Okay, this one is my laptop connection. Okay, now let's enter Parde. Okay, and click to check name. Yes, this one, click this one, click to OK. Yeah, OK, and click to OK. Yes, now you see new database created here. Okay, and go to table. Now right click here and click to table. You need to create a new table. Okay, yes, now first I'm at here serial number, serial dot number. Yes, now next one I'm at here like name. Okay, data, and in this I'm at here username or user ID. Okay, next one I'm at here password. Okay, password ID. Yes, now user ID we need to convert data type, that is a weak character. Okay, variable character as like a string. Okay, same this one, password also. Let them take this variable character. Yes, and data, let's take the integer. Okay, enter int, and name is v character, same, that is v character. Okay, now name, that is a v character. Yes, serial number you need to enter the integer. Okay, and right now what you do, right click here and click to set prime key. Okay, primary key, it means like when your data import or you can data update in your SQL, then it's automatic update like 1 2 3 4 5 like this, automatic. Yes, now what you do, and click to this one. Okay, and go to identity specification. Okay, there have no, you need to click to yes, this one. Yes, now everything is done. Identity increment 1 by 1. Yes, now what you do, let's save this project. Yeah, and the name is table1. Click to OK. Done. Now what we do, click to refresh. Yeah, you see table1 created here. Now right click here and click to select top 1000 row. Yes, you see serial number, name. Okay, and this one is your data, this one is your user ID, this one is your password ID. Okay, but right now they have empty. Okay, your database is empty. Now we need to enter, or we can say upload the data. How we can do this? Now click to new script. Okay, and I already created a playlist about the SQL. Okay, now what you do, let's enter here insert. Okay, insert into. Okay, right now you need to enter your table name. My table name is table1. Then what you do, let's enter here table 1. Okay, Now you see right now it gives some warning or error, and what you do, you go to master and you select your database, that is LabVIEW tut. Okay, now you see it's gone. Yes, in the bracket you need to enter column name. Okay, and column name is this one: name, data, user ID, password. Okay, now first I'm at here name, comma, data, you see, comma, that is username or user ID, sorry, and next one is your password, this one, password. Okay, bracket close. Now you need to enter values. Okay, in the values you need to enter like first is name, and that is v character, means string. You need to enter the name in string. Okay, now let's enter here Pardeep. Okay, this one is string, comma, next one is data, that is integer. You need to enter the integer value. Let's enter 10. Again, that is user ID. Enter user ID, anything, like I'm at here Pardeep LabVIEW, this one. Okay, but right now it's also string. Then yeah, now again comma. Okay, right now you need to enter the password ID, that is also a string. Right, I'm enter this one, and I'm enter the password, that is SIPL@1234, like this one is my password. Bracket close. Yes, now everything is done. Now what you do, click to execute, and you see one row affected. Okay, query means insert into, means like you want to insert the data in which table. This one is my table 1, means this one, and this one is column name, data, user ID, and password. Okay, this one is values. You need to enter the values step by step. Okay, like first one is your name, then you enter the name. Second one is data, enter the data. Next one is user ID, this one is user ID, password, this one. You can enter anything as per your requirement. Okay, this thing. Let's amend here select all row and column. Okay, it means star means all row and all columns. From which table? I'm enter from the table 1. Select the table 1, and let's comment this one. This one is comment sign. Okay, now click to execute, and you see one data is available in our SQL. You see one Pardeep, data 10, and this one is user ID, this one is password. Okay, now let's upload more data. Okay, now what you do, let's change the name, like I meant here Rajesh. Okay, and the enter anything, like I meant here 20, and change the username, that is I meant here automation, this one, and the password is like I meant here deep1234, this one. Okay, now everything is done, and click to execute and see two data store in our SQL, Pardeep, Rajesh. Now let's upload two more. Yeah, now it's well. Okay, 4 data stored in our SQL. Help of this we create our login part. Okay, yes, next step is you need to search here OBDC, yeah, ODBC data source 32-bit. This one, open this one. Yeah, now you see I already created this LabVIEW, but I remove this one. Okay, and click to add. Okay, go to down, select SQL server, click to finish. Okay, now you need to enter the name, that is I meant here lab research, this one. And please remember, because in the LabVIEW we use this name. Okay, lab research. Yeah, and you need to select the server. Okay, and wait a few seconds. Right now this one is my latest server. Okay, you need to select your server. Okay, now this one is my latest LabVIEW research. Yeah, click to next, and this one is same, click to next. Yeah, first you need to select this one, change default database, and you need to select your database, that is LabVIEW tut. We already created here, you see LabVIEW tut. Okay, yeah, click to next, and same settings, click to finish, and you need to test data source, and you see test complete successfully. Okay, now click to OK. Okay, and yeah, lab research. Okay, please remember this name, lab research, and click to OK. Yeah, everything is done. Now let's come to the LabVIEW. Okay, now right click here and go to down. You see SQL toolkit, pin this one. Yes, first click to SQL open, next SQL select. Okay, this one. Next is SQL close. Yeah, okay, now what you do, select this all, and let's modify. Yes, press Control space, Control W. Yes, right click here and go to visible item, click to label. Okay, now yes, now what you do, right click here, go to while loop for continuity operation, like this. Now what we do, let's first one, this one is our connection string. Right click, create a constant. Okay, in this you need to enter that is same, that is lab research, lab research. Okay, let me show. Yeah, this one, lab research. Okay, next one is this one, SQL query. You need to enter, right click and create a constant. Okay, in this you need to enter the query, and this one is like I will show you. You select your username and password as per you like. Okay, in your database, let's write a query that is select all from table, and you need to enter where. This one is condition, where name is like where name, this one name means this column, name equal to which one, like I'm use this one. Okay, this username, this password. Okay, then I need to enter this deep, and let's I'm enter this one is string, then you need to enter in a string deep one. Okay, now when I click to execute, and you see right now only see the one data. Okay, because condition is implement this deep. Okay, in this because help of this query we search in our database, and this one is execute. Help of this we use this username and this password. Okay, now what you do, copy this query, right click and click to copy, and you need to paste here. Okay, like paste, yeah, this one. Okay, select all from table where name is deep. Now what you do, right click here, go to structure, and right now you need to use the event structure, this one. Yes, now what we do first, I will tell you, right click here, go to silver. Okay, and go to boolean. Right now let's choose this one, okay button. Okay, and change the label, that is login, and right click visible. Now remove this login. Okay, and let's modify. Okay, now right click here and visible label, this one is our event structure. Now we need to enter this okay button in this event structure. How we can do this, let's what we do, click to this one, right click here, and you see add event case. Yeah, and you see they have a open okay button. Okay, value change, now click to okay. Yeah, now you see okay button added here, and you need to right click here, view as icon, and add in this condition. Okay, let's modify. Yeah, this one is my our okay button. Okay, now what you do, first you see this one is our data, this one is like your array data type. Now we need to convert, right click here, go to array, and you see right now we need index array because we need to choose like a particular index. Okay, yeah, this one, let's modify our project, let's increase. Yes, now this one is array, you need to connect to this one directly like this, and this one is very important guys, this one is sub array, this one is sub array. Okay, like we need to add two index. Okay, and I will tell you again, this user ID and password. Okay, please remember we need to index user ID and password. That's why we expand this icon like this. Okay, as per the command you can expand. Okay, right now we need to use the two index, that's why. Okay, yeah, first one is index 1, right click here and create a constant. Right now this one is row. Okay, this one is our 0 row. Okay, or we can say 1, but right now you need to use the 0. Okay, next one is index, means column, which column you need. Like we need this user ID, this one is like 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now you need to enter the 3 here, right click, create constant, enter the 3. Okay, let's again modify. Next one is this index row. Okay, now this one is also 0, then what you do, click to this one and connect to this terminal, and this one is column, right click, create a constant, we need to enter the 4. Okay, 4, let's click to this one and again click to this one. Okay, The first one is our user ID, and second one is our this one, that is our password. Okay, and now what you do, go to again silver string and use the string control, this one. Okay, and I will enter the user ID. Okay, user ID, this one. Let's increase. Yes, again copy this one and enter password. Now what we do, let's go in the block diagram. Yeah, this one is our user ID, this one is our password. Okay, now select this one, right click and click to view as icon. Okay, user ID, this one is our password. Yes, now what you do, right click here and go to comparison. We need to use this equal sign here. Okay, and copy, same here, sorry, yeah, copy this one. Yes guys, and you need to select this one, password here. This one is our user ID, you need to connect to this terminal, and this one is your password, you need to connect to this one. Okay, now what you do, go to comparison and go to the boolean and you need to choose the AND. Okay, when this both condition true, AND means this one one terminal is and two terminal both are true, then it's in the output it's give the true value. Okay, this one. Yeah, okay, now we need to again create a comparison. Go to comparison and you need to use the select option here. Okay, if this is true then give this message, otherwise give the false. Now let's go to string and create a constant. Yes, okay, right now I'm entering the message here, and the message is welcome guys. Okay, this one is our message when the when our user and password is right. Okay, welcome guys. Otherwise let's enter the message, sorry, try again. Okay, sorry, try again. Yes, right click here and go to dialog button. There have a one dialog and two. Right now I choose the two one. Okay, this one is our message, this one is give the message right, and this one is T button okay, and this one is false button cancel. There have two option. If you enter the OK button then it's give the true value, otherwise if you click to cancel then give the false value. Okay, right now I replace to dialog 1. Yeah, this one. Yes, there have one option, just okay, great. Okay, now and this one is our output. You need to connect this one like this and connect to this terminal. Great. Yeah, now everything is done guys. Yes, press Ctrl T, and right now very important, you need to change the mechanical action of this button. Now what you do, right click here, go to mechanical action, choose this switch until release. Okay, and yeah, now it's working well. Okay, now maybe you are ready for doing this project. Yes guys, okay, and first click to run the project. Yes, first we need to enter the user ID, and we enter this one. Okay, and this one, copy. Okay, and paste here. Yes, and the same password, this is our password, 1234. Paste here. Okay, now let's change the one important thing. First turn off and click to this one, right click and use the password display. Right now you see. Okay, yes, now click to run again. Yeah, now click to login and see the output. Yeah, welcome guys, it's amazing. Okay, now very important guys, if you enter the wrong thing, like I'm enter here like LabVIEW, user is wrong but password is right, click to again run and click to login. You see, sorry, try again. Okay, again I'm enter here same thing, same user ID, but let's enter the any password. Okay, yeah, like this, and click to run and click to login and same, sorry, try again. Okay, now what you do, let's enter the true password, that is 1234, maybe 1234, yeah, right. Let's click to run and click to login, and welcome guys, it's working well. And a very important thing, if you need to change the user ID and password, then what you do, go to this one, okay, and let's comment this one, okay, let's comment this one also, yeah, and click to execute. Okay, right now they have this one is our data. Okay, like you want to choose this one, like this automation. Okay, like you need to choose this one, then you need to enter the condition of name Rajesh. Okay, and this one where name equal Rajesh, you need to enter here Rajesh, yes, and click to execute and see Rajesh. Right now you need to choose this automation and deep 1234. Okay, for this what you do, when you do this one, copy this all thing, okay, and otherwise what you do, you need to change in the deep, you need to enter the Rajesh, let's I'm at here Rajesh, okay, this one Rajesh, yeah, everything is done. Okay, now click to run and login, and you see sorry try again, because you changed the username and ID, and the latest username ID is this one, automation and deep123. Let's copy this automation and paste here, yes, and so let's increase their size. And in the password, our latest password is deep, this one, let's copy and paste here, sorry, yeah, paste here. Let's increase their size. Okay, now click to run and click to login, and you see welcome guys. Okay, this is amazing thing. Please try or modify as per your requirement. Okay guys, now thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.